At the 2024 SEMA Show, one of the most electrifying attractions was the Bayside Blue Nissan Skyline GT-R, a jaw-dropping creation that had car enthusiasts and builders alike in awe. Revered as one of the greatest performance cars to ever emerge from Japan, the Skyline GT-R has long held a legendary status, and this stunning SEMA build takes its iconic reputation to new heights. With a striking mix of aggressive styling, world-class craftsmanship, and enhanced performance, this reimagined GT-R is a modern masterpiece, built by the renowned team at Built by Legends. The Nissan Skyline GT-R R34, particularly in its signature Bayside Blue livery, has cemented itself as a symbol of precision, speed, and motorsport prowess. A car that has inspired generations of automotive enthusiasts, the R34 is often remembered for its starring role in the Fast and Furious franchise, where it became a symbol of Japanese tuning culture. But at SEMA 2024, this car isn't just a trip down memory lane, it's a meticulously modernized version of the legend, combining old-school appeal with cutting-edge technology and performance enhancements. What makes this Bayside Blue GT-R truly remarkable is the attention to detail that went into every aspect of its build. Crafted by Built by Legends, a company known for their expertise in performance tuning and restoration, this Skyline isn't just a static showpiece, it's a fully functional machine that has been upgraded to be even more capable, powerful, and precise than the original. The gleaming Bayside Blue paint might catch your eye first, but underneath the bold exterior lies a car engineered to thrill. At the heart of the Bayside Blue Skyline GT-R is its fully built RB26 DTT engine, which has been tuned to deliver even greater output than the already legendary power plant. Known for its strength and tunability, the RB26 DTT has been enhanced with a custom turbo setup, a reinforced drivetrain, and upgraded suspension components to improve handling, cornering stability, and overall track performance. This combination of modifications makes the Skyline a true beast on both the road and the racetrack, with an increased focus on drivability and responsiveness at high speeds. The engine bay is a thing of beauty, meticulously crafted and perfectly tuned, with every component serving a purpose and delivering unparalleled performance. Meanwhile, the exhaust note from the engine gives a spine-tingling growl that lets everyone know this car is as serious as it looks. The interior of this Bayside Blue Nissan Skyline GT-R stays true to its performance roots. Inside, the car has been outfitted with racing-inspired bucket seats, high-performance gauges, and custom trim elements that reflect the raw spirit of the build. The dashboard and cockpit layout are designed to give the driver full control and a connection to the car that is pure racing inspiration. From the moment you slide into the driver's seat, it's clear that this isn't just about flashy looks, it's about delivering a pure driving experience, where every element of the car, from the handling to the feedback through the wheel, is crafted to excite. Whether you're driving on the street or pushing it to the limit on the track, the interior is perfectly balanced for performance, comfort, and precision. This Bayside Blue GT-R is a testament to the legendary status of the Skyline GT-R and the skill of the Built by Legends team, who have successfully blended classic Japanese engineering with modern tuning to create something truly spectacular. With its upgraded performance, striking exterior, and race-inspired interior, this build proves that the GT-R's legendary status is as alive as ever. Whether it's the custom engine work, the attention to aerodynamics, or the thoughtful integration of modern technology, this car showcases the timeless appeal of the Skyline GT-R while pushing it to new heights. At SEMA 2024, the Bayside Blue Nissan Skyline GT-R made it clear that its legendary reputation isn't just rooted in nostalgia, it's been given a new life with cutting-edge performance enhancements that make it an even more formidable machine. For fans of the original, and for those who have yet to experience the thrill of the Skyline, this is a build that truly encapsulates the essence of performance, craftsmanship, and passion. In conclusion, this Bayside Blue Nissan Skyline GT-R at SEMA 2024 isn't just a show car, it's a bold statement that the Skyline GT-R remains one of the most revered and exciting vehicles in the world. Thanks to Built by Legends, the legacy continues to evolve, and the Skyline remains a force to be reckoned with on the streets, on the track, and in the hearts of enthusiasts everywhere.